Uh, I'll just start my screen sharing and I'll be talking to you about three things today. One is the elevator pitch, second is how to build your profile, and third, how to build your profile on LinkedIn. So these are the three things that I'll be covering, and it's very important because you must know how to pitch yourself, right? Be it for a job or even if you're starting your own company, your startup, then also all these things they help, right? So because the first impression that you create, like people don't have too much time. So in short, like you have to introduce yourself and also talk about your worth, what you are capable of, and how you can benefit others. So that's all people are interested in. And of course, so you have to keep in mind the 7 C's of communication, which I always tell in the class. Also I tell that maintain brevity, right? So these are a few of the things that we must like keep in mind. So I'll be starting the session with my presentation. And before I start, I'll just like to, you know, discuss a few things. Yeah. So we'll start by elevator pitch. Why do we call it elevator pitch? We call it elevator pitch because to travel in an elevator, like, it takes around 20 to 30 seconds. So in that 20 to 30 seconds, if somebody is traveling with you or you meet somebody in the elevator, how can you, just start a conversation with that person and tell about yourself, introduce yourself, tell about yourself, and then, you know, show the benefit, how you can benefit that person. So that's how thing is. And an elevator pitch, as you can see, it's to describe yourself, or maybe, sell an idea or promote your business. So things like that. And networking in today's time is very, very important, right? So an elevator pitch is an essential, just as you have your business card, like visiting cards and all you keep. So it's as important as that, right? So that is why you must have your own elevator pitch. You learn it. उसको लिखने के बाद आप उसको learn कर लीजिए. And just have it always in the back of your mind whenever you introduce yourself in 20 to 30 seconds. You just talk about yourself, and you also show in a way that how you can benefit that person. So maybe you are an editor, maybe you are a photographer, maybe whatever field you are into. So maybe you will meet somebody. Oh, hi, I'm Ritik, and I've been into this photography industry for quite some time, maybe some 5 years or 10 years, and I'm really into doing this wedding photography, and also sort of producing these videos and all. So nice to meet you, and just in case if you have any requirement, you can get in touch with me. I live on the fifth floor, right? So something like that. So that's how things are. And if you don't have an elevator pitch, people won't know what you really do, right? So, and it has to be very precise, well organized. So that's what we are going to be doing today. And I want each one of you to have a notebook and a pen with you, right? So we'll actually do an exercise. Then I'll be talking to you about the profile building, how you create your profile for a job, or just to project yourself in front of your clients if you're going in for a startup or something, right? So that's also very important. And then the third thing that we'll be covering today is how to make your profile on LinkedIn, because that's your professional image, your professional persona that's going to be present on the internet, right? So to start with, I'll just stop the screen share. Come to this. Yeah, just give me a second. I hope you all can see my screen. So, one second. Yeah. So, if you don't have an elevator pitch, people won't know what you really do, what you really want, and how you can add value, right? So, in order to enable yourselves with such a tool, you need to be able to say who you are, what you do, what you are interested in doing, and how you can be a resource to your listeners and add value to their lives, or add value in some way to that person, whether it's in his business or profession or whatever, right? So that's when that person is going to be interested in you. And then of course you need it for job, you need it for higher education, you need it as a business pitch, right? So first and foremost, know your audience. So I want you to write these points on your notebook. Just keep jotting it down, and also write down the answer. So before writing any part of your elevator speech, research and know your audience. So first and foremost, we always discuss as media people, target audience, target audience, target audience. That's what's always on our minds, right? So write down your target audience, whether it's for a particular industry, whether it's for higher education, whether it's for your startup or whatever, right? So you write down. Say for example, my target is audience is going to be all the production houses of Delhi, say for example, right? Wherein they produce audio video content. So for somebody it can be photography, for somebody it can be digital marketing industry, for somebody PR industry, corporate communication or whatever, right? So you write down your target audience. Then you must know their background, their area of expertise, and how you can fit in them. Say for example, there's this production house who are into producing corporate films. So I know that, like, okay, I'm going to target these people and they are into corporate videos and all, right? So my thing is like, I am very good in taking these cinematic shots and all, right? Or maybe in some animation, I'm good in animation, say for example. And I know that these companies, they don't use too much of animation, not too much of illustrations and all. So like, I am going to pitch myself as an animator and an illustrator, say for example, right? Then comes your so likewise you also write that what is their requirement, or the companies that you are going to pitch for. So what exactly they are looking forward to. So just try to identify that, because you are going to fill that spot. So whenever you're going for an interview or something, you will always research background research of that company and see, like, what all they are into and how you can benefit them, where exactly you can fit. So once you go for an interview, you can tell them that, yeah, I've been through your website and I know that you're into this. So they will feel good about it also, that you did a background research, you tried to know about the company, right? And then you can tell them, like, I see that you produce a lot of video content, and mostly it is like, you shoot and all and then you edit it, but I don't see much of animation and illustrations, and my specialization is in animation and illustration. So perhaps you could start on with that, or maybe you could give it a try, incorporating animation and illustrations in your corporate videos. And well, if you give me a chance, I will definitely prove my worth and show you my uh, expertise. So something like that, right? Then you will be much more likely to succeed if your elevator pitch is clearly targeted at them. So you saw what I said. You just see, I told you, like, you told them that you produce video content, and it's mostly like you shoot and then you edit, and that's how it is. But I don't see you using too much of animation and illustrations. So that's where I can fit in. So it's clear. Then comes know yourself before you can convince anyone of your, what you are proposing. So first and foremost, like you write down your strengths, like your key skills, that I'm good in this, I'm good in this, I'm good in this, I'm good in this, right? So you have to define first yourself. So I want you all to define yourself, your key strengths, right? So key strengths like key skills also. Maybe if you're good in speaking, if you're a good orator, if you're a good presenter, whatever it is, right? So you write down that also, point by point. So I hope you've written these points. Your audience, target audience. Have you written your target audience? Then, of course, the background, that is subjective. Like each time, you'll have to do a little research. Then you come to your key strengths. Write down your key strengths. Then, what adjective comes to your mind when you are to describe yourself, right? That means like you would want to describe yourself as a video editor, as a photographer, as a digital marketing expert, or a digital marketing professional, because you can't become an expert at the entry level, right? So whatever term comes to your mind, you write that. Just 1 second. So you write that down. So first you write your name, you write your target audience, then you write your name, then you write your key strengths, then under your name you write down like what title you want for yourself, right? Then what is it? Then comes what is it you are trying to let others know about you, right? Then the thing is like जब भी हम किसी से मिलते हैं तो कोई एक मकसद होता है, right? So like if you're meeting people, be it for pitching your startup or ठीक है, एक लाइन में उसको लिख दीजिए. Then what are you interested in the company or the industry or the person with whom you are interacting. तो अगर आप जॉब के लिए कर रहे हैं तो यू राइट इट डाउन फॉर जॉब. इफ इट्स फॉर हायर एजुकेशन यू राइट इट डाउन फॉर हायर एजुकेशन. इफ इट्स फॉर अ कंपनी पेज यू राइट इट डाउन फॉर अ कंपनी पेज. ठीक है, इस पॉइंट को लाइक यू जस्ट राइट इट डाउन. Why are you interested? Like you meet somebody randomly and you find that okay, इस बंदे से मेरा काम निकल सकता है, or that person can help you. So you have to be sure of why you want to that meet that person and why are you interested in that person or company or brand or whatever, right? So I hope you're writing it down simultaneously. That's when it's going to help you. मेरी बातें सुनने से आपको इतना help नहीं होगा जितना ये practically आप अगर करते चलेंगे तो होगा. ठीक है? Then outline your talk. Start an outline of your material using bullet points. You don't need to add उसमें paragraphs लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. Just make your bullet points, right? So maybe say 5-6 bullet points you've made. Learn that और उसी को elaborate कर देना है, right? So you can start with like who I am. So you can write down your name. Well, whatever, you know, just your name. Then uh, if you want your title, you also you can put hi, this is Yogesh, and I'm uh, a wildlife photographer, say for example. So something like that. And then you can tell that like I did my photography from JJ College of Arts or something, some visual arts, something, some qualification. Okay, so I did a course in visual arts from JJ College of Arts, maybe you could say. Then uh, you told about your qualification or maybe skills, like for the past year I've been into wildlife photography and something like that, and I've put up some 3 exhibitions. Fine. So what problem is solved? So uh, you can say that like what are the main contributions I can make. So like now I want to go to remote places and explore places wherein I can get into more of this wildlife photography and things like that, whatever. Or you want to make a transition into the corporate industry or something like that, or you want to get into photojournalism, something. So you can say like, well, this is what I have been doing, and of late, like you see, I want to get into photojournalism in one of the channels, say for example, or for one of the digital platforms, whatever. So what should the listener do as a result of hearing this? So, and you can just say that, well, I heard that you are in National Geography or some Discovery. I came to know that you are in Discovery Channel or National Nat Geo. So it would be great if you could, if there's any scope for me, I would be very grateful if you could, just let me know, right? So your purpose is solved. Or you can say if there are any opportunities in National Geographic in India. So I would be greatly interested, right? So you made a point. So like that, you also write about yourself, your name, then who you are for in terms of like your profession, digital marketing, photographer, videographer, corporate communication, PR, right? And what do you offer? So like um, Yogesh said that I am a wildlife photographer, right? So, and I've been into wildlife photography for the past 5 years or maybe 10 years. And now look forward to getting into a channel. I've been doing this as a freelancer, but I came to know that you are with Nat Geo. So I would really be very grateful if if opportunity, if you could let me know if opportunities, come up in Nat Geo India channel, right? So you write down like this. So first you mention your name, then uh, like your title, then your key skills that I am skilled in this. Then this is how you could contribute. Write down that, and then a benefit to the person you are interacting with, or maybe something that you want out of it. So either you show that you're going to benefit that person in some way, or else how can that person help you, right? So I guess you'll have written, आप लोगों ने लिखा है. Then finalize your speech. Now that you have an outline of the entire material, the bullet points, then you can finalize. Just expand those bullet points or एक sentences लिख लीजिए, right? So please do it. So all those bullet points you elaborate into one sentence. And when you have written those sentences, then cohesiveness, 7 C's of communication, उसको एक छोटा सा पैराग्राफ में कन्वर्ट कर लीजिए, like each related to other. वो it shouldn't sound very mechanical, it should sound very colloquial कि एक normal flow में जैसे आपने बात की है. Don't use jargons और बहुत ही ज़्यादा flowery language or complicated vocabulary. Keep it very simple. As we all know that media में जो है, when we are dealing in mass communication, we keep the language very simple, right? Straightforward. तो वैसे ही इसको आप लिख लीजिए. Then try to re-edit it and cut it short. Brevity फिर लाइए इसमें. ठीक है? If something is repeating, just strike that off, rewrite it, and write it very nicely. तो 40 words, 50 words या 60 words में आप लिख लीजिए. So are you all writing? I hope you're all writing. Because once you've written, I want you all to post your elevator pitches in the chat box. सब लोग इस चीज को लिखिए, और लिखने के बाद उसको कॉपी करके और चैट बॉक्स में पोस्ट कर दीजिए. So I'll just give you some couple of minutes to do this exercise. Meanwhile, I can talk of something else. So here are some tips. You can just go through it and structure your elevator pitch. So it's like elevator pitch is a helpful tool for marketing, education, experiences, starting a conversation with an employer or at workplace, or you know maybe like you interact with people, you go to a party, you go to a networking uh, event, so career fair. So that's where you exchange your you project yourself and meet others, right? तो ये सारा लिखते रहिए. आई एम जस्ट आप लिखिए. आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू टिप्स so that your imagination is triggered and you really come up with nice elevator pitches. 40 to 60 वर्ड के बीच में लिखिएगा, ठीक है? टू द पॉइंट. राइट डाउन योर नेम फर्स्ट. किसी को कोई क्वेश्चंस पूछना है तो जस्ट रेज अप योर हैंड एंड आई अनम्यूट यू. ठीक है? तो स्टार्ट बाय राइटिंग योर नेम, देन यू राइट योर टाइटल कि क्या चीज मतलब you want are looking forward to getting into corporate communication, digital marketing, video production, photography, video editing, blogging, or whatever. जो भी आपका एरिया ऑफ इंटरेस्ट है जिसमें आप अपना करियर बनाना चाहते हैं, उसको अपने नाम के नीचे एज अ टाइटल लिख दीजिए. राइट? देन you write down your key skills that well, I'm a BHMC final year student, and well, my area of interest is this, and I'm really say for example, my area of interest is video production, video editing, and I'm really good in the Final Cut Pro, Premiere Pro, and After Effects, so something like that, right? Then you can tell that well, in my college I've been working with the DME Media, and I have really worked hard and produced some nice videos, so something like that. ठीक है, तो वो आप बोल सकते हैं. And then like I really like making short documentaries which is like 4 to 5 minutes, and I'm really looking forward to opportunities uh, you know in the digital companies for wherein I could contribute as a content creator. So इस तरह से ठीक है. So that's how your elevator pitch should be. लिखा लिया आप लोगों ने? I hope you've written it. So this is one sample. Hello, my name is so and so, and I'm a student at Delhi Metropolitan Education, final year student, first year student, second year student, this whatever you want. My area of interest is uh, I told you, like, just give you an example of uh, video editor, of video producer, and I'm interested in pursuing a career in higher education or a job position or opportunities in this particular area, right? So either you noticed a course, I came across this course on the website or something like that. If you're applying for higher education, or else for job opportunity, you can pitch for a job opportunity, or else if you are going in for your own startup, you can say that I've recently launched my startup and I'm looking for work. So just in case if you come across something, kindly let me know. and then you can talk about your skill set, certifications if you have had any, like if you really went in for uh, certifications and all, you can write that. Then additional achievements you can write that, as I told you, like for DME Media, for DME TV, I made this documentary. And it's got so many views, and I received a lot of appreciation for it and things like that. So, and then given a chance, or like if there's something for me, if there's an opportunity for me, if there's an opening for me in your organization, or if you come across or something like that, I would be very grateful if you let me know, or, or something like that. And nice to meet you, pleasure meeting you, good to meet you, something like that, वो end में आप कर सकते हैं. So I hope you all have written your elevator pitches, and you can start posting it in the comments. कमेंट में पोस्ट करिए अपना अपना एलिवेटर पेज प्लीज. Please write it down and post it in the comments. जो चैट बॉक्स है उसमें, चैट बॉक्स में अपना अपना एलिवेटर पिच प्लीज पोस्ट कर दीजिए. And then I'll just go through all that, and then I'll help you to अगर वो थोड़ा सा इम्प्रूवमेंट अगर उसमें स्कोप है, so I'll help you with that, and you can really uh, you know shape it into a very nice piece. ठीक है, ये सारा कुछ कुछ टिप्स है, you can just see and like write it down. अब कॉन्वर्सेशनल लैंग्वेज में होना चाहिए, एकदम सिंपल. So these are some tips. So whenever you're going for an interview or to pitch, just review the employer's website information, their future projects, already the projects that they have done, then their client base, career opportunities, right? So like you can start a conversation that, or a covering note that I was just going through your website and I came across this position, so I'm very eager to apply for the same. Excellent. So I have received one elevator pitch from Ayush Goel. Very good. Next, others also please start posting. सब लोग अपना अपना पोस्ट कर दीजिए. So see, I'm not here to come and give you a lecture or something. हमारा ये टीम है, and I'm trying to help my team members. Okay, so you all are my team members. I'm trying to help you. तो यहाँ पे ये नहीं है कि सर यहाँ पे सबको लेक्चर देने के लिए है. We are all a team, and I'm just trying to help my team members. You all are my team members. I'm going to my like objective is to help you. So please, all of you, write down your elevator pitches and drop it in the chat box now. Are you sure? I'll go through your elevator pitch, and whatever changes are required, I will help you with that, right? So that is why I'm telling, like, if you all, Mohsin, have you dropped your elevator pitch? Yeah, Mohsin's, I've received Mohsin's also. Excellent. So once I have your elevator pitches, I'll just go through it, and then one to one, I can help you with, shaping it up in a better way. Others also please drop in. Let's not you know put in too much time. जितना भी आप लिख पा रहे हो उसको लिख लो. I'll just give you 2 more minutes. So it's now 10:52. 10:54 तक please सब लोग लिख लीजिए and drop your elevator pitches in the chat box. So here are some more points which I am just telling. You can discuss about your career goals, what exactly you want to be in next 5 years, how you want to take your career forward. So you can also discuss about that, talk about that, but just in one line, right? So it's like I enjoy the classroom environment and I'm very excited to take forward my career in higher education. I'm interested in development communication, gaining research experience, and pursuing certification in the next 12 months. So this is for your when you're pitching for higher education. So these are some of the examples, some tips for you. So you focus on your most relevant and powerful experiences such as leadership roles, like Ayush. Ayush was one of the core members in SIFI 2020. So he could perhaps, give a hint on that as well. So some of you have done your certifications in digital marketing, so you can mention that as well. Or there's this community connect. Some of you might have joined this community connect and done some initiatives under that. So you can mention that. So it comes under CSR. So if you're getting into PR and also this is something which is going to help, right? So or like there are some students who have started learning Chinese, so or French, so you can write that as well. You mentioned that. Have you all written your elevator pitch? I haven't received too many. I don't know why. सब लोग यहाँ पे you've come for benefit, right? To benefit yourselves from this workshop. तो अगर आप रिस्पॉन्स ही नहीं दोगे तो फिर आप कैसे बेनिफिट करोगे? I have received only 2 responses. One is from Ayush Goyal. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, who's that?
सर
हाँ
सर
गुंजन.
लास्ट पेज खोल दीजिए.
ठीक है. लास्ट पेज खोल देता हूँ, देख लीजिए आप. सब लोग इस एक्सरसाइज को करेंगे तो फायदा होगा. अगर सिर्फ मेरी बातें सुनने के लिए आए हैं तो फायदा नहीं होगा. मेरी बातों को अगर आप इम्प्लीमेंट करेंगे तो फायदा होगा आप लोगों को. And now I want everyone, जो भी आप लोगों ने लिखा है वो प्लीज चैट बॉक्स में डाल दीजिए. कृष्णा मैम, आर यू देयर?
Yes, sir. I'm around.
Ma'am, perhaps you can just pass this instruction on to everyone कि अभी जो उन्होंने elevator pitch लिखा है, they should drop it in the chat box.
Okay, I'll do that.
And then we will move forward to profile building. क्योंकि अगर आपने elevator pitch अच्छी तरह से लिख लिया, so this is going to also help you, write your profile also nicely. So that's the purpose. That's why I want you to write your elevator pitches and post it in the chat box. लिख लिया आप लोगों ने?
So the message has been sent on the chat box
Yes,
for
ma'am.
everyone to prepare the elevator
Yeah.
pitch.
And I've given them enough time to write and post it. So perhaps they can start posting it now.
Yes, and
सिर्फ हाँ
meanwhile,
सिर्फ 40 to 60 वर्ड्स लिखना है सबको. Just 40 to 60 words. That's it. So now I would well, all those of you who want to benefit from it, great. I'm now going to move forward to building the profile. So next is building a profile. So this is one of the templates I have designed. So $40 to 60 words में बना लीजिए please अपना elevator pitch and post it in the chat box. Now I want you all in your notebooks to write down the points for making your resume, profile, CV, whatever you want to name it as, right? तो बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ difference होता नहीं है इसमें. It's like quite similar, each one similar to the other. So you can put your picture. यहाँ पे मैंने गोल करके लगा दिया है, मगर अगर कोई गोल नहीं कर पा रहा है, so you can put a 1 by 1 or a rectangle profile of yours. ठीक है, profile picture of yours. वो पिक्चर जैसे आप देख सकते हैं कि इस बंदे के पीछे देयर आर दीस कंप्यूटर्स, डेस्क पे कुछ काम चल रहा है, तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि यस यू नो ही इज प्रॉब्ली इन सम मीडिया ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. तो आपका पिक्चर फैंसी नहीं होना चाहिए. इट शुड बी लाइक जो भी आपका प्रोफेशन है उससे थोड़ा सा मैचिंग होना चाहिए आपका पिक्चर का थीम. यू कैन put a formal picture also, or secondly your face should be clearly visible. तो पहले होता था पासपोर्ट फोटोज. सो ऑफ कोर्स पासपोर्ट फोटोज भी आप लगा सकते हैं if you don't have a very decent photo, or you can just get a decent photo clicked, ठीक है, and put it on your CV. Then you write down your name. नेम के नीचे आप अपना जो भी टाइटल है उसको लिख दीजिए. And then on the right hand side, sorry, you can write your address, your phone number, your email ID, and then if you have your social accounts. So you है ना, अगर सोशल अकाउंट पर्सनल है तो नहीं डालना है. अगर फॉर एग्जांपल कोई फोटोग्राफी करता है या कोई इलस्ट्रेशंस बनाता है, लाइक Zaki makes beautiful illustrations. So to showcase his work, and he does it on Instagram, so he can put his Instagram link here, right? And then you all are going to be building your LinkedIn profiles. You can also add your LinkedIn का जो है handle, and then यहाँ पे icon डाल के और आप अपना जो handle का नाम है वो डाल सकते हैं. फिर summary is going to be quite similar to your elevator pitch, जिसमें आप पूरा समराइज करेंगे. उसमें आप अपना नाम नहीं लिखेंगे कि हेलो आई एम दिस 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 लाइक दैट. आई विल बी शोइंग यू सम एग्जांपल्स ऑफ समरी. तो वैसे करके आप छोटा सा समरी लिखेंगे. जो एलिवेटर पिच में लिखा है उसी को थोड़ा सा मॉडिफाई कर देंगे, राइट? सो यू विल राइट डाउन द समरी. व्हाट एग्जैक्टली समरी विल कंप्राइज ऑफ व्हाट एग्जैक्टली यू आर लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू योर जो भी मतलब prominent experiences, prominent achievements, वो थोड़ा सा इसमें डाल के and then आप आगे क्या करना चाह रहे हैं, ठीक है? So this summary is going to be a brief on your key skills, your achievements, what you've done till now, like the prominent, substantial things that you've done, and then what you look forward to. Then लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में आप अपने की स्किल्स डाल सकते हैं. यू कैन राइट डाउन योर की स्किल्स कि आई एम गुड इन, गुड इन नहीं लिखना है, जस्ट बुलेट्स में लिख देना है, लाइक फोटोशॉप, माइक्रो एमएस ऑफिस, एक्सेल, maybe Quark Express, InDesign, Adobe Audition, and whatever like you want to write. You can write down your key skills. Or you're good in blogging, you can write down blogging, uh, photography, whatever, right? Then below that you write down your academic qualifications. तो academic qualification आप start करेंगे अपना +2 से. So 10th तक तो सबका सेम होता है, तो कोई उसमें mention 10th mention करने का जरूरत नहीं है. तो +2 से, because some people take PCM, some people take PCB, some commerce, some humanity. तो जो भी है, तो वो जो है वो इम्पोर्टेंट होता है, तो वो चीज आप डाल देंगे, राइट? सो यू विल मेंशन योर एकेडमिक क्वालिफिकेशंस फ्रॉम 12th, फिर उसके बाद ग्रेजुएशन का. ये दोनों, अभी तो आपने ग्रेजुएशन किया है तो 12th का और ग्रेजुएशन का वो डालेंगे, और फिर कौन से कॉलेज से या इंस्टीट्यूट से आपने किया है, अबाउट दैट एंड द सब्जेक्ट्स, राइट? देन इफ यू हैव डन सम सर्टिफिकेशंस, यू कैन, अगर उसमें आपको कोई बैजेस वगैरह है तो बैजेस डाल दीजिए. अगर बैजेस नहीं है, सो यू कैन जस्ट राइट डाउन, आई हैव डन सर्टिफिकेशन इन डिजिटल मार्केटिंग, मे बी एसईओ और सोशल मीडिया मार्केटिंग और एनालिटिक्स और माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड और व्हाटएवर, लाइक सी. तो वो आप सर्टिफिकेशंस डाल सकते हैं, और अगर उसके बैजेस हैं तो आप बैजेस डाल सकते हैं. Then on the right hand side, you will write down your work experience. तो work experience तो अभी तो आप लोगों का हुआ नहीं है, so you can write down जहाँ जहाँ पे आपने internships किए हैं उसका लिख सकते हैं. और अगर DME में कुछ आपने कोई important किसी उसमें part लिया है, so like many people are in this newsletter, many people are in DME TV, many people are in DME media. So many people are doing this digital marketing stuff. Vanshika, please mute yourself. हाँ, तो वो एक्सपीरियंस में लिख सकते हैं, क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर में होना चाहिए, ठीक है? सबसे पहले आपने क्या किया था, तो ऑब्वियसली DME का आ जाएगा. देन इफ यू डन योर इंटर्नशिप, यू विल राइट डाउन, आई डिड माय इंटर्नशिप सो एंड सो प्लेस, एंड द इंटर्नशिप डिटेल्स आपने उसमें क्या किया, एंड लाइकवाइज, राइट? Then you put your personal information like languages that you know, maybe most of us English, Hindi. कुछ का अगर रीजनल लैंग्वेज है तो वो लिख सकते हैं कि मराठी है और भोजपुरी है या whatever, like. So you can write down those different languages that you know. Then achievements, क्या क्या आपके achievements रहे हैं वो लिखेंगे. Awards, if you've got awards, you write down your awards if you've received, maybe आपने कहीं पे participate किया और आपका film को award मिल गया, ठीक है? So all those things, and then you write down your hobbies. So this entire thing has to be made in a way कि it includes the keywords, क्योंकि आजकल क्या हो रहा है कि जो ये रिज्यूमे डाला जाता है, ये लोग पहले क्या करते हैं कि एक सॉफ्टवेयर होता है उसमें डाल देते हैं, तो वो कीवर्ड्स के अकॉर्डिंग वो फेच कर लेता है. सो मेनी अ टाइम्स लाइक मे बी यू हैव नॉट डन अ पर्टिकुलर कोर्स या कोई भी एक पर्टिकुलर सर्टिफिकेशन या कुछ, या किसी फील्ड में आप चाह रहे हैं कि आपको अपॉर्चुनिटी मिले, सो you can write down pursuing or looking forward to doing that particular thing, so that is how you include that keyword. तो वो कीवर्ड जब आ जाता है, तो जब ये सारे रिज्यूमे वगैरह वो सॉफ्टवेयर के थ्रू इसको जब सेग्रीगेट किया जाता है, फिल्टर किया जाता है, तो योर रिज्यूमे ऑल्सो फिल्टर्स एंड वो जो है उसमें चला जाता है बिन में, जिसमें जो शॉर्ट लिस्टिंग होती है रिज्यूमेस की. सो योर रिज्यूमे विल ऑल्सो गो इनटू द शॉर्ट लिस्टेड बिन. ठीक है, तो दिस इज हाउ यू मेक योर प्रोफाइल. ठीक है, एनीवन हैज एनी क्वेश्चंस? मेरे पास एलिवेटर पिचेस आए नहीं है. It's very sad that, like, you people are not taking advantage of this workshop.
सर ये कौन से
हाँ.
ऐप या सॉफ्टवेयर पर है?
हाँ, ये मैंने जो है Visme पे बनाया हुआ है. So you can get like templates in Visme. So I'll just show you. I'll exit this.
So instead of writing work experience, can we write internships and
हाँ हाँ, वही
certifications?
लिखोगे. Of course you will write experience लिख देना. Work experience नहीं लिखना. Experience में you can write down. So you can make it in this.
एक्सक्यूज मी सर.
हाँ.
सर अब जैसे किसी ने कोई वर्क भी कर रहा है साथ में, लाइक कोई प्रोडक्शन हाउस के, और इंटर्नशिप भी करी है, तो जो टाइटल आएगा उसमें वर्क एक्सपीरियंस ही आएगा ना फिर तो?
एक्सपीरियंस में लिख दो ना. एक्सपीरियंस वर्क हटा दो. एक्सपीरियंस में जो करंट कंपनी में काम कर रहे हो वो आप डाल दो, तो करंटली, तो वो प्रेजेंट का हो जाएगा. ठीक है, अभी वो और भी क्लियर हो जाएगा व्हेन वी आर डिस्कसिंग लिंक्डइन. ठीक है,
सर
स्टेप
वो
बाय स्टेप.
एक
There's internship experience. Why need to go for work experience or simply experience? Internship experience भी डाल करके सेपरेट सेक्शन बनाया जा सकता है ना.
So this is how you do. I mean, that's why I'm going step by step. First, I told you to write an elevator pitch wherein you're absolutely clear on who you are, what your key skills are, what you're looking forward to, how you are going to make the pitch, right? Then incorporating that, which is going to be in your summary. ठीक है, वो चीज डाल के with a nice profile picture, your name, okay, and then your address and other credentials and details, because first impression is last impression, ये याद रखना. तो इवन की जो प्रोफाइल पिक्चर है, प्लीज ट्राई टू पुट अ वेरी नाइस प्रोफाइल पिक्चर. इट शुड नॉट बी फैंसी. वेरी नाइस की जगह फैंसी करने के लिए आप मत चले जाना कि जो है एकदम आप जैजी से कपड़े पहन के वो आप कर रहे हैं, और मिड शॉट तक होना चाहिए. ठीक है, यू कैन सी दिस एवरी आई होप एवरीबडी नोज व्हाट मिड शॉट इज. सब लोगों ने फोटोग्राफी, वीडियो एडिटिंग, वीडियो प्रोडक्शन, कैमरा सब पढ़ा हुआ है, तो टाइप ऑफ शॉट्स सब लोगों ने पढ़ा होगा. तो मिड शॉट लेना है, as you can see in this picture also, and that is how you compose your resume. And there are these free softwares available जिसमें आप कर सकते हैं. Visme is one of them. So you can get templates. You have your like all these components, graphics and all, which you can you can create a layout. And but वो खिचड़ी नहीं हो जाना चाहिए, और रिज्यूमे जो है बहुत ज्यादा फैंसी नहीं दिखना चाहिए कि बहुत ही आपने जो है जैजी कर दिया उसे. ऐसा नहीं. इट शुड बी नीट एट द सेम टाइम अपीलिंग. एडवर्टाइजिंग सब लोगों ने पढ़ा है. अपील मेंटेन करना है, उसको जैजी नहीं बनाना है. सारी चीजें क्लियर कट दिखना चाहिए. अभी जैसे मैंने ये दिखा रहा हूँ, क्लियरली नाम दिख रहा है, आपका टाइटल दिख रहा है, एड्रेस दिख रहा है, बाकी सोशल क्रेडेंशियल्स व्हाटएवर यू वांट टू पुट यू कैन पुट. देन समरी क्लियरली दिख रहा है, की स्किल्स, एकेडमिक क्वालिफिकेशंस, सर्टिफिकेशंस, एक्सपीरियंस, सारी चीजें दिख रही हैं. लेट्स जस्ट रिमूव वर्क एंड पुट एक्सपीरियंस. तो एक्सपीरियंस के अंदर में ही जो है आपका वर्क भी आपकी, बिकॉज लाइक बहुत ज्यादा नहीं है आपका, तो if you put work experience, then internship experience, then some whatever like different type, वो थोड़ा सा एक एक लाइन वो बहुत अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. So broad आपने यहाँ पे एक लेबल डाल दिया एक्सपीरियंस का, एंड देन सबसे टॉप पे जो अभी आकर आप लोग कहीं पे कुछ you associated with company and you're doing some freelance or some work, you can mention that. Then जो उसके बाद जो आपने लेटेस्ट इंटर्नशिप कहाँ पे किया है वो, और फिर डिटेल्स भी डालना है कि कौन से प्रोजेक्ट में आप इन्वॉल्व रहे हैं, क्या क्या काम किया आपने, वो सारी चीजें. चलिए, साक्षी भाटिया का भी एलिवेटर पिच आया है, और बाकी लोगों का क्यों नहीं आ रहा है एलिवेटर पिच? जल्दी जल्दी डालिए. So this is how you will build your profile, right? Now we come to LinkedIn. So I will be showing you my LinkedIn profile, or maybe I'll just show you some 2 other very nice profiles. अलग-अलग type का है. So this is someone who is an executive director of this company, like NGO called Sakshi, and you can see, like, you know, कैसे करके इन्होंने अपना प्रोफाइल बनाया है. So about में जाके she writes this entire thing down, and then she's also written about her NGO, the company. So now those of you who are going in for startups, so you can write a very brief note अपने company के बारे में, and then first you have to talk about yourself, and then you talk about your company, and then if you have some featured posts you can feature it here. your activities जो भी आप likes करते हैं और comment करते हैं, so everything is seen in your activities. So you have a section wherein all your activities on LinkedIn are shown. ठीक है. फिर उसके बाद आपका experience आ जाता है, educational qualifications आ जाते हैं, licenses and certifications आ जाते हैं, skills and endorsements, recommendations, accomplishments में publications, those of you who have participated in ICANN or other places and written research papers and all, या part लिया है आप लोग, वो सारा यहाँ पे डाल सकते हैं. ठीक है. Then your interests and all I've showcased, right? So this is one of the profiles, and I'll show you one more profile. So now there's this lady who is in a company, और ये जो है, see there are 2 things in LinkedIn. एक आपका प्रोफाइल पिक्चर होता है और एक होता है आपका ये बैनर. ठीक है. तो बैनर को भी जो है डिजाइन करना अच्छी तरह से, वो भी इम्पोर्टेंट है. ठीक है. तो ये सारी चीजें ध्यान रखना है. Now what happens is, as you can see, this lady is into marketing, corporate communications, internal external communications, digital innovations, brand value performer, putting great ideas into execution, content development, public and corporate affairs, and CSR, right? So this straight away shows that she's handling a lot of aspects of PR and corporate communication and also marketing. So that now she's made her label like this: think like your customer, think strategically, think creatively, think result, and think digital, right? So इस तरह से she's created a very meaningful label. So you can also create your label. Say for example, कोई photography में है, कोई किसी चीज में है, कोई production में है, या somebody is into research or whatever. So you can design your label also nicely. And यहाँ पे, because she's a very senior person, so she has written all these multiple things that she is into. But you people will just write down one title. ठीक है. फिर उसके बाद अपना contact info proper provide करना है. So if you can see here, she's mentioned her contact info nicely. मेरा स्क्रीन दिख रहा है ना आप लोगों को? Can you all see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. So like this is how she's built her profile, then highlights में ये सारा डाला हुआ है. फिर about देखिए इनका about कैसा है. Award winning, passionate, confident, result oriented, senior marketing, communications and brand management professional with exceptional leadership skills, have more than 12 years of experience and proven track record in the fast paced environment, recognized for driving business growth, encompassing strategic planning in developing and managing fully integrated cross-channel brand marketing, advertising, integrated marketing, promotional campaigns, public relations, brand reputation, media planning and buying, creative development, digital marketing by blending traditional concepts with strategies to create maximum brand visibility, simulate sales and returns on investment ROI, right? Then my core interest includes marketing and branding, this, ATL, BTL, TTL, digital positioning of campaigns, blah, 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 okay, and all that stuff. ठीक है. फिर उसके बाद स्पेशलिटीज भी इन्होंने मेंशन कर दिया है, तो जिससे क्लियर कट ओके पीआर में जाना, अच्छा बिजनेस चैनल में ओके, सोशल डिजिटल मार्केटिंग है, वेंडर मैनेजमेंट है, तो व्हाटएवर रेवेन्यू जनरेशन है, तो यहाँ पे क्लियरली डिफाइन कर दिया. बिकॉज हमारा कम्युनिकेशन जो है, एज यू नो, सी आई हैव ऑलवेज बीन टेलिंग एवरीवन कि ये जो सारे सब्जेक्ट्स हम लोग पढ़ते हैं, एवरीथिंग इज रिलेटेड टू एवरीथिंग. इसको सिर्फ जो है अलग अलग कैटेगराइज करके एक एक चीज आपको अलग अलग सिखा दिया जा रहा है, बट इन द एंड all the subjects that you are studying, everything is related to everything. ठीक है, in the end the entire thing is communication, and we are doing communication इंसानों के बीच में, person to person, people to people communication जा रहा है, either it is like one to one or one to many or one to a group or whatever, interpersonal group communication या mass communication, whatever. ठीक है, तो in the end we have to know communication, और फिर हमारा ऑब्जेक्टिव है उसको कैसे अचीव करना है, राइट? तो ट्राई टू बी वेरी गुड इन योर कम्युनिकेशन, क्लैरिटी रखना है, ब्रेविटी रखना है. 7 C's ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन तो आप रट के अपने फिंगर टिप्स में सारे लोग रख लो, कि जब इवन की वो आपके पर्सनैलिटी में ही हो जाना चाहिए. आप किसी से बात करो तो वैसे ही बात करो, ठीक है? तो वो फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट चीज है. देन शी हैज फीचर्ड दीस सम ऑफ द आर्टिकल्स एंड ब्लॉग्स दैट शी इज रिटन, तो वो सारी चीजें हैं. Then comes your the activities. ये activities automatically आता है, right? Then experience as general manager marketing, this. Then she's put her work also here. You can see more. So she's written all the details down. Then this company, इसमें भी उन्होंने जो भी presentations दिए हैं, all the details, marketing, communication and so on and so forth. तो जो आप लोगों ने भी internship में जो projects किए हैं, अगर आप उसका प्रेजेंटेशंस बना के लगाना चाहते हो, आप वो लगा सकते हो. अगर वीडियो लिंक्स लगाना चाहते हो, वीडियो लिंक्स, आई विल शो यू माइन आल्सो, ठीक है? तो उसमें आपको पता चल जाएगा कैसे करके क्या है. तो ये सारी चीजें हो गई. देन एजुकेशन में ये सारे क्वालिफिकेशंस आ गए, एजुकेशनल क्वालिफिकेशंस, जिस पुट अ सर्टिफिकेट व्हाटएवर. देन लाइसेंसेस एंड सर्टिफिकेशंस, वो सारे आ गए. एंडोर्समेंट्स, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. तो अभी आपको तो जितने आपके टीचर्स हैं सबके साथ कनेक्ट होना चाहिए. जहां जहां पे आपने इंटर्नशिप्स किए हैं उन लोगों के साथ आप कनेक्ट होइए, ठीक है? जिस जिस कंपनी में आपने इंटर्नशिप किया, उन जितने वहां पे एम्प्लॉयज हैं उन सबके साथ कनेक्ट होइए. और फिर slowly and gradually as you're growing, you can ask for endorsements. So आपने फॉर एग्जांपल जो डिजिटल टीम है, मीडिया टीम है, ठीक है, पीआर की टीम है, ये लोग मेरे अंडर में मेरे टीम में काम करते हैं. सो लाइक यू नो दे स्टार्ट ऑन विद सम कंपनी समथिंग, और दे गेट इनटू अ जॉब और व्हाटएवर दे डूइंग, तो देन दे कैन आस्क फॉर रिकमेंडेशन कि ठीक है सर, आई हैव वर्कड इन योर टीम, कैन यू प्लीज put a recommendation for me? Just like Ayush worked in the core team of SIFI 2020, so he can ask for a recommendation from Manmeet ma'am. He can ask for a recommendation from me. ठीक है, ऐसे करके तो it helps, right? So I can write for him that, oh yeah, Ayush really worked very hard and I see him as a very hardworking and dedicated person, and he knows what he is doing, and he knows his subject or something. So I'll write a nice recommendation for him. And similarly, he can ask Manmeet ma'am also. So Manmeet ma'am will also write the nice recommendation for him. And likewise, ठीक है. तो आप लोगों ने यहाँ पे भी, और like somebody is into research, so that person can get connected with Krishna ma'am. कृष्णा मैम के अंडर में रिसर्च एक्टिविटीज करी हैं, तो कृष्णा मैम से आप कह सकते हैं कि मैम I did this research activity, or I wrote a paper under you. Can you please give me a recommendation? Like that. Okay. So you request for a recommendation, and then people give you recommendations. Then you have your industry knowledge or key skills वगैरह, ये सारी चीजें हैं. So you can put all that down, and then इसमें क्या होता है कि आईसी की, ठीक है, एडवर्टाइजिंग कि अच्छा, गुंजन जोशी इज वेरी गुड इन एडवर्टाइजिंग. सो आई विल जस्ट यहाँ पे प्लस साइन क्लिक करूंगा. सो एज यू कैन सी दीज स्मॉल थिंग्स, सो पीपल रेकमेंड. ठीक है, आयुष गोयल से फॉर एग्जांपल गुड इन फिल्म मेकिंग, तो मैं यहाँ पे फिल्म मेकिंग लिखा है तो मैं उसमें लिख दूंगा. या इवेंट मैनेजमेंट से फॉर एग्जांपल आयुष गोयल ने अपने यहाँ पे इवेंट मैनेजमेंट डाल दिया. सो आई सी या आयुष तो इवेंट मैनेजमेंट अच्छा करता है, चलो इसको एक प्लस दे दो. तो यहाँ पे आपका स्कोर बढ़ता चला जाता है. ठीक है, सो दैट इज हाउ इट इज. all this is there, and then you have these recommendations. ये जितने यहाँ पे आपका recommendations आएगा, किसने आपका recommendation किया, उनका नाम, उनका designation वगैरह सब आएगा. So you try to get good recommendations, that will help. And accomplishments, awards, ये सारी चीजें हो गई हैं, and all that stuff, right? Then okay, so this is one more profile which is going to help you. So there's this lady called Mohini Khatiyan. So she's a marketing influencer, content strategist, digital organic growth, customer service. So all those who are into digital marketing and stuff like that, तो आप कर सकते हैं इस तरह से. And then what happens is, like once you get connected, like she is my first connection, so you will also see suggestions here. So first connection, second connection. So now I see that this lady is a freelance content writer, digital marketing expert, and brand developer. So like I want to connect with the people of the industry, and so I can just do follow. Or if I'm not into follow, what I can do is like I'll just go here and I'll just unfollow this lady. On यहाँ पे जाके जो है connect भी कर सकता हूँ. So I can send a connection request. So this is how you get a connection request. ऐसे करके आपने connection request भेज दिया. So something like that, right? So and now look at the label she has put. ठीक है, जो banner बनाया है, तो banner भी clearly यहाँ पे social media, digital sales, blah blah, it's all talking that. और यहाँ पे ये Instagram और LinkedIn. So now what happens is, मेरे को देख के ही लग रहा है कि okay, when she's talking of marketing influencer, तो Instagram और LinkedIn यहाँ पे prominently दिख रहा है. इसका मतलब she is doing her influencer marketing on Instagram and LinkedIn maximum. ठीक है, तो इस तरह से हम देख सकते हैं, हम लोग कर सकते हैं. तो जैसे यहाँ पे है, ये सजेशन आ रहा है, सर्च इंजन ऑप्टिमाइजेशन सोशलिस्ट. So you just send a connection request, ऐसे करके. So that's how you can go about things. And then now I would want to show you, ऐसे करके आप कुछ देख सकते हो जो भी है, कुछ profiles and all, and build your own also. तो most important of all कि यहाँ पे about में जाके सबसे पहले आप ये सारा, okay, mind you, यहाँ पे कुछ फर्स्ट ईयर के स्टूडेंट्स हैं. जस्ट इन केस if first year students are there, I have been talking quite a lot about writing content for online, जिसमें I took classes also, writing skills for online. तो उसमें मैंने बहुत सारी चीजें बताई कि जस्ट अपार्ट फ्रॉम राइटिंग नॉर्मल टेक्स्ट we can also include emojis and all. See, emojis are a very important tool in today's communication. ठीक है, even in formal communication, it has like started getting into formal communication also. And then you also have memes. ठीक है, memes are also becoming quite an important tool for communication. तो आपको जो है I I'm again telling like you have to develop your communication skills in total. ठीक है, कोई भी चीज का हार्ड एंड फास्ट रूल नहीं है. यू कैन ऑलवेज ट्राई इट आउट बट मेक श्योर इट डजंट बैकफायर. ठीक है, तो वो चीज आपको ध्यान रख के चलना है कि जो भी आप सी बेसिकली व्हाट हैपेंस इज वी आर द पीपल हु आर गोइंग टू ब्रिंग इन चेंज टू द फ्यूचर, राइट? तो आपको अपना क्या कहते हैं ग्रामर जो थ्योरी है वो अच्छी तरह से आना चाहिए. और जब वो अच्छी तरह से आएगा तो देन यू कैन थिंक ऑफ bending rules. So if you know the rules, you can try and bend the rules also. If you don't know the rules, you cannot bend the rules. वो backfire हो जाएगा. और फिर धीरे धीरे आप एक्सपेरिमेंट्स कर सकते हैं, देख सकते हैं कि आपका कौन सा कम्युनिकेशन टेक्निक जो है वो बहुत सक्सेसफुल है आपके प्रोफेशन के हिसाब से, आपकी जरूरत के हिसाब से एंड ऑल दैट स्टफ, राइट? So now if you see this lady's this about thing, the way she's written the content, she's used lot of emojis, right? And look at the way she has designed her content. It's beautifully done. ठीक है, तो and she's actually written a short note looking for a rich content for your blogs and websites. So now this is like a little bit of advertising का भी language है इसमें, corporate communication का भी है, एक थोड़ा सा informal touch भी है इसमें, और last में देखो let's discuss options, call to action and then thanks. So it's a beautifully designed content. So you can just go to her profile and see this. I can share the link with you in the chat box. So this is a very innovative and new style of writing content. तो मैं आप लोगों को ये भेजता हूँ. So you can check it out. तो ये सारी चीजें हैं. And now I will be showing you my profile, how I built mine. So I have a very I have my formal this profile picture here, as you can see. Then I have put a backdrop which is in black and white, and it's got a perspective, and it's showing a creative touch. ठीक है, तो मैंने अपना बैनर को ऐसे करके डिजाइन किया. So it's not very formal and it's not very casual either, and it's showing some element of creativity. ठीक है, तो इस तरह से मैंने, and then I have my label as a content and communication strategist. Then you can see like the DME logo, and because I'm working in DME, so I have this DME logo, and then I have the KR Mangalam logo. So academic sector, this is projecting academic sector. Then I have written like my about thing. So this is the summary. So I've written my summary like this. Then these are some of the featured content which I have used. So this is my podcast channel. Then I have my Instagram photography page, and then I have some documentaries that I have made, corporate films that I have made. Okay, then audio production and stuff. So this is like a short portfolio. So you can also, create your own portfolio and feature it here. Or portfolio आप share कर सकते हैं. It's got so many options. So if I go to edit here, और edit में नहीं जाते हैं, add. So you can have posts, you can have articles, you can have links, you can upload media. So these are the 4 options that you get, right? Then you have your, this is my dashboard showing all that with backend. Then activities. So some people, I have, you know, responded to ये सारी activities मेरी दिख रही हैं यहाँ पे. So these are all my activities. I have got 2,222 followers. ये सारे मेरे activities यहाँ पे दिखेगा. Then you can also see your connections. So I have got about मेरा connections में जाऊंगा तो करीब 2,500 connections हैं मेरे. So if I click on this, I can see my connections if I click here. So कहाँ गया? इसमें भी नहीं दिख रहा है. तो basically like हाँ network पे, sorry. So if I click network here, so you can see connections is 2,231 connections, right? And these are my contacts. I've got 4,743 contacts. So now what happens is आप इस तरह से अगर आपके अच्छे contacts बनने चालू हो जाएं, अच्छे networks बनने चालू हो जाएं, so then you become an influencer on LinkedIn also. ठीक है, मगर randomly नहीं कि किसी को भी contact में add करते जाए, किसी को ऐसे नहीं contact में add करना है. ठीक है, बहुत ही ध्यान से you have to choose your contacts, which are all those who are relevant to your profession. So all these contacts which I have, 2,231 contacts, they are all relevant contacts related to the field I am in. ठीक है, to my profession, related to my profession, to the field I am in. जो भी मैंने अपना मेरा टाइटल है, मेरा एरिया ऑफ वर्क है, उसके साथ. ठीक है, तो ये सारी चीजें हो गई. देन आई हैव पुट इन द डिटेल्स कि डीएमई में मैं क्या क्या कर रहा हूँ. देन आई हैव आल्सो पुट सम प्रेजेंटेशंस हियर. ठीक है, देन माय अदर एक्सपीरियंसेस, कहाँ पे क्या क्या किया. सो आई हैव गॉट दीज सम ऑफ द लिंक्स आई हैव पुट हियर. Then as a technical consultant, so I'm writing down the briefs and I'm also sharing some links here. So this is my project Shori, and likewise, so I worked here. So these are some of my work. So actually it is giving a proof of जो भी कंपनी में था वहां पे मैंने क्या क्या किया. So whatever I am talking here, so जो भी मैं links लगा रहा हूँ, so it is like proof. तो ये सारी चीजें हैं. So these are my other work. So I जहाँ जहाँ काम किया. So these are some of the video links you can see, and likewise. Then my education qualifications are here. So these are like some of the qualifications that I have, and और भी ज़्यादा हम देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे and all that stuff. Then licenses, ये सारा मेरे licenses हैं, certifications हैं. ठीक है, so I have all this stuff. Then voluntary experiences क्या क्या किया. Then skills and endorsements, वो सारी यहाँ पे हैं. And then I have got the recommendations and accomplishments and all that stuff. Then interests. So this is how you build your LinkedIn profile. ठीक है, so is it clear to you all? So now what happens is अभी मैंने सारा कुछ आपको बता दिया है. I told you how to start off with. So but unfortunately मैंने आप लोगों के साथ इतना मेहनत किया. I shared so much of details. I tried to give you insight into so many things, but it's a very unfortunate situation that I haven't received response from your end. मैं बार बार repeatedly आप लोगों को बोलता रहा कि आप लोग अपने elevator pitch लिख के और chat box में डाल दीजिए, बस हार्डली 3-4 लोगों ने डाला है. So it's a very, I mean, मेरे को इतना अच्छा नहीं लगा कि मैंने इतना मेहनत किया and I did not receive response from your end. But anyway, so this is in nutshell, like I covered the 3 aspects. One is your elevator pitch, one is your how to make your profile, and the third is how to project yourself on LinkedIn, which is an absolute professional platform. So thank you all for attending my session. Wish you all the best.
Thank you so much, Ritvik sir. And the objective of this session was to train all the students into the making of impressive CVs and profile and elevator pitch. And I know there could not have been anyone better than you to train them or to explain them how these things should have been done. It's unfortunate that very few students have joined, and the larger majority which has not been able to take the good things, the learning from this session. Students, actually, the session should have started with my introduction of Ritvik sir. I know he doesn't require an introduction, but still, let me tell you, and he's already shown you his qualifications, also everything he has already told you. But then, through his LinkedIn profile, he has already shown you what all he is all about. But still, besides taking your classes on broadcasting, digital media, you all know he has been instrumental in the successful organization of various national and international events of our DME, especially ICANN conferences, SIFI, Ritika. Ritvik sir also manages digital content creation, social media, CMS and digital operations, multimedia, studio and digital operations, and technical designing of DME Media School and overall DME per se. He also conducts training programs, webinars, and workshops at various universities on fake news, media literacy, radio program, and production. And as a media professional, he has worked for BBC, Financial Times, All India Radio, and TV channels, whereby he has handled production, line for radio, video, online, outdoor broadcast, satellite communication, content creation, and production. And he has also covered Commonwealth Games, Bihar elections from the ground, and EFP and live broadcasting of various programs. So, thank you so much once again, Ritvik sir. And
Thank you, ma'am. Thank
I
you
am
so much, ma'am.
expecting questions from student, but I have not received any in the chat box. So that means nobody has any question to ask.
Yes, ma'am. I don't see them to be too responsive. I was expecting them to be, doing this exercise side by side so that by the end of this workshop, they have their elevator pitch ready. They exactly know how to draft their profiles and also how to project themselves on LinkedIn. So perhaps, I mean, well, just in case of any assistance, they can get in touch with me.
Yeah. So
Sir, I have a question.
Yeah, Ishita.
सर जो लिंक्डइन की स्टार्टिंग में एक बायो था, उसमें जो आपने प्रोफाइल्स दिखाई हैं उसमें लिखा हुआ था जैसे कि स्ट्रैटेजिस्ट एंड ऐसा करके, लेकिन हम तो जैसे स्टूडेंट है अभी और हमारा कोई ऐसे स्पेशलाइजेशन नहीं है, तो हम उसमें क्या लिखेंगे?
नहीं, आपको डिसाइड करना पड़ेगा ना कि यू कैन बी एन aspiring something. You can write aspiring researcher or I mean something like that, and or else, because like I wouldn't advise कि जो है आप लिखें कि I am a BGMC student. ठीक है, आप अपना कोई भी एक सेगमेंट, इसीलिए एलिवेटर पिच करवाया था कि आप अपने लिए एक टाइटल सोच के लिखो. ठीक है,
ठीक, थैंक यू सर.
है ना?
any more questions?
सर जैसे अभी आपने हर्ष गुप्ता का सीवी दिखाया था, तो मतलब कोई स्पेसिफिक फॉर्मेट होना चाहिए उसके लिए, सीवी मेकिंग के लिए?
नहीं, मैंने आपको फॉर्मेट दिखाया ना. सो यू हैव योर प्रोफाइल पिक्चर, उसके नीचे अपना नाम, अपना टाइटल, फिर उसके राइट हैंड साइड में आपने अपने एड्रेस डाल दिया, कॉन्टैक्ट डिटेल्स डाल दिए, क्रेडेंशियल्स हैं वो डाल दिए, ईमेल आईडी, फोन नंबर, ये सारे डिटेल्स आ गए। अगर आप अपने सोशल हैंडल्स हैं जो कि पर्सनल नहीं है, ठीक है, तो आपने मान लीजिए फेसबुक में अपना कोई प्रोफाइल बना हुआ है, ब्लॉगर पे कुछ करा हुआ है, ब्लॉग्स लिखे हैं, वेबसाइट है आपकी कोई, तो वो सारे लिंक्स आप डाल सकते हो। देन ऑन द लेफ्ट सबसे पहले आप अपने की स्किल्स लिखेंगे, आपके की स्किल्स क्या क्या हैं वो सारे डिटेल्स डाल सकते हो। फिर की स्किल्स के बाद आप अपने एजुकेशनल क्वालिफिकेशन डाल दोगे, फिर सर्टिफिकेशंस आपने अगर करे हैं वो डाल सकते हो, और राइट हैंड साइड में जो है आप अपना एक्सपीरियंस डाल सकते हो, जिसमें अगर आपने कहीं पे काम किया है वो लिख सकते हो, कहीं पे आप पार्ट टाइम कर रहे हो या एज अ फ्रीलांसर कर रहे हो वो लिख सकते हो। देन आपने जहाँ पे इंटर्नशिप्स करे हैं वो आप डाल सकते हैं। और फिर उसके बाद जो है अबाउट योरसेल्फ, सो अबाउट योरसेल्फ लाइक यू नो पर्सनल डिटेल्स आ गया, लैंग्वेजेस आपको कितने आते हैं, आपका एरिया ऑफ इंटरेस्ट क्या है, आपकी हॉबीज क्या है, आपने अवार्ड्स जीते हैं यानी कुछ भी स्पेशल मेंशन है, ठीक है, वो सारी डिटेल्स आप उसमें डाल दोगे। तो
सर
ये हाँ
जैसे
बताइए।
कुछ शॉर्ट फिल्म्स वगैरह में मैंने वर्क किया, तो मतलब उनका जो लिंक है वो भी सीवी में आना चाहिए या नहीं आना चाहिए?
हाँ, लिंक्स आप डाल सकते हो, तो आप पोर्टफोलियो बना लोगे, एक जितने शॉर्ट फिल्म्स आपने बनाया आप नाम लिख सकते हो, आप वर्क इन दिस फिल्म, और एक आप यूट्यूब में या तो अपलोड कर लो, या अगर ऑलरेडी यूट्यूब पे है तो उसका एक आप प्लेलिस्ट बना लो, प्लेलिस्ट बना के उसका लिंक आप कॉपी कर लो और उस लिंक को शॉर्टन कर लो। तो आई हैव ऑलवेज बीन टेलिंग, डिजिटल मार्केटिंग में मैंने सबको बताया है, राइटिंग स्किल्स में मैंने सबको बताया है कि लिंक जो है उसको शॉर्टन कर लेते हैं, तो bit.ly, दिस इज वन ऑफ द साइट्स, वहां पे जाके आप अपना ये लिंक को पेस्ट करो और उसमें शॉर्टन कर लो, तो मुश्किल से 5-6 लेटर्स का आपका एक लिंक जनरेट हो जाएगा, और वो आप एज अ पोर्टफोलियो लिंक करके और वो लगा दो आप।
ओके सर, थैंक यू।
हाँ, और वो आप ऊपर भी डाल सकते हो, ऊपर आपने YouTube का मान लीजिए आइकन लगाया और उसमें आप एम्बेड भी कर सकते हो या लिंक डाल सकते हो, या समरी में आप डाल सकते हो कि दिस इज माय पोर्टफोलियो, समरी में भी आप डाल सकते हो कि काइंडली विजिट माय पोर्टफोलियो, या लिंक टू माय पोर्टफोलियो ऐसे करके। और पोर्टफोलियो आप कई जगह बना सकते हैं, यू कैन हैव योर ड्राइव वेयर इन यू कैन अपलोड योर पीपीटीज या रिसर्च पेपर्स या जो भी वीडियो कंटेंट, सो ड्राइव का लिंक भी आप शेयर कर सकते हो, और ड्राइव को जो है व्यू ओनली कर दो कि उसमें जाके कोई डिलीट ना कर पाए, वो क्लिक करेगा तो आपका ड्राइव खुल जाएगा, और ड्राइव के अंदर आप कैटेगरीज कर दो कि वीडियोस है, रिसर्च पेपर्स है, और सर्टिफिकेट, मतलब लाइक इफ यू वांट टू प्रोजेक्ट समथिंग लाइक किसी ने कुछ राइटअप्स लिखे, कुछ लोगों के न्यूज़ लेटर्स होंगे, तो वो सारी चीजें आप अपने पोर्टफोलियो में डाल सकते हैं, और पोर्टफोलियो का लिंक डाल दीजिए अपने सीवी में, क्योंकि आजकल तो सारा पीडीएफ में होता है, इंटरैक्टिव, हार्ड कॉपीज तो बहुत ही रेयर होता है, सो यू आर यूजुअली शेयरिंग योर पीडीएफ कॉपीज जो कि आप इंटरैक्टिव बना सकते हैं, और लिंक्स जो है क्लिकेबल होता है, तो even if you are sending it through WhatsApp, mail or whatever, people can just click those links. और secondly क्या है कि जैसे मैंने बोला था कि आजकल सीवी शॉर्टलिस्ट लोग जो एचआर वगैरह हैं वो देख के नहीं करते हैं, there's a सॉफ्टवेयर उसमें सारा सीवीज को डाल देते हैं, and then they run it as per the keywords, और वो कीवर्ड्स को डिटेक्ट करता है और फेच करके शॉर्टलिस्टेड में वो सीवीज को डाल देता है। So you can always include links, right?
Okay, sir.
Clear?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Do we have more questions? And if there are no more questions, then before we end the session, let me tell you all that we may be organizing these kind of placement sessions from time to time. And I hope that in other sessions we expect to see larger gathering. Thank you so much, Ritwik sir, for taking out
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thanks a lot, and wish everyone all the
your
best.
precious time and explaining the most important, most relevant part of placement process. And also, students, I would like to inform you that there is a placement policy of DME, and we would conduct another session whereby we would be explaining you what this policy is all about. And also, I will be requesting you that the format of CV that Ritwik sir has explained you, shown you, kindly follow that same format. There should be a uniformity of CV that you guys are sending to us for various placement activities. So kindly follow the same format that Ritwik sir has shared with you today, and he has explained how it has to be done. Thank you so much. Thank you once again.
Thank
Thank
you,
you, ma'am.
everyone. Wish you all the best. Yeah.